YouTube, what's good, family? Welcome back to the spot. Man, the weather is breaking. It is like February 5th or something. Weather's breaking. So quick video. I'm just changing out the tail light. Lady says she went to the shop and they was trying to charge her like $60 plus taxes and whatnot to change out a brake light on her car. So she came to me. You know, I does it all, guys. But my videos are going to be, my old channel got messed up, so my videos, I'm still going to be uploading. My dates and video episode numbers are going to be a little strange. And that's just because I'm uploading my old videos to my new channel. But I am also still going to upload my new videos as if they are in conjunction with my old videos on my old channel. So, let's get it. Alright guys, so get up in here, take these screws off, and then this, you push that in. There's a little boot right there, push that in right there. Alright guys, so we give this a twist. Oh, this thing is in there. I don't want to hold it too tight, break it. Got it. Whew. Man. Alright guys, so now we just backtrack what we did. Insert into the hole. Alright guys, so these are the screws I was talking about right here, these bolts, and then we pull our little gasket out. There we go. And the owner, she took the clip out and broke it, but there's a clip. She actually bent it, but there it is. It's supposed to be right there like that. Alright, spot you in the next one, guys.